Carbon capture and utilization is one of the ways to tackle climate change. By turning waste CO2 emissions into valuable products, such as plastics, fuels, and chemicals, it contributes to climate change mitigation. On July 11, 2018, SAPIA and the European Commission's group of chief scientific advisors organized a joint conference in Toulouse on the use of CCU technologies to improve citizens' quality of life. As part of the EuroScience Open Forum, this session aimed at identifying best practices at the European level.
Concerning the use of CCU, it is strongly recommended, since we need to think about CO2 not as an enemy, but as a friend for a more sustainable future.
Among the key issues that were raised is the CCU's bad reputation. Indeed, it is said to consume a lot of renewable energy in order to save CO2.
The most important misconception that we have to get rid of is to explain to policymakers that the reason of CCU is not to save CO2, but to enable an energy system.
The importance to understand that CCU technologies are not in competition with other clean technologies also emerged from the discussions. Indeed, they are suitable for areas where other simpler and more affordable technologies might not be.
CCU is important for the last bit of the deep decarbonization or defossilization of the society. For sectors that is difficult to defossilize with the technologies that are available and foreseeable in the near future.
Another advantage brought to the table is its cost efficiency for the industry, taking into consideration in the future the contribution of CCU for the circular economy.
The cost of CCU and CCS for this type of industry could be very low if you consider all the value share of the product and the usage of the product.
But if there is one thing all the panelists agreed on, it is the necessity for Europe to use CCU technologies to help tackle societal challenges.
I think the EU is trying to understand better and explore the concrete capacities, not only the potential of CCU technology, not only as a technology in itself, but rather as a way that could hopefully help tackling societal challenges at a global level.
Clearly, the EU needs to develop a regulatory framework for CCU in order to achieve the goals of a carbon-free economy and eventually tackle climate change.